Hey guys, thank you so much for being here, and on this video I will show you how to do a natural hairstyle with low bun, and it also could be a bridal hairstyle. So first I started off by sectioning my hair. I wanted them in two sections and I wanted like low puff buns. So in order for me to get the gel nicely laid, I had to divide my hair into 4 sections, and I started by applying the lower section first, and then I just went ahead and added the front part after laying the back section. So this hairstyle turned out so nicely, so stay tuned if you want to achieve this look. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do videos on natural hairstyle and natural hair growth, and I really love the progress that I am gaining, and I hope you stay and subscribe to this channel. But let's get back right into it. So as you can see, even though my parts are not that clean, they won't be seen, so don't be afraid. That is all fine. After holding back the lower bands, that's when I went in at the front and I laid it. This just ensures that all the hair is nicely laid, and this can last for up to 3 days, which is what I wanted, and it was perfect. So you just want to go in there and brush the front part so that it can connect to the lower part. And let me tell you guys, this hairstyle turned out so nicely. I'm in love with it. So yeah, I have not been doing gel hairstyles. This has been the first one in a long time, and I really loved how it turned out. So maybe I'll do more gel content. So yeah, I wanted to make sure the hair will be nicely laid and I won't have problems after 2 days. So this is why I did the double method section. This just ensures that your hair is nicely laid. And so I did what I did to this on the other part, and voila, there I am, almost done.
Got the kick.
And did my edges of camera, and this is the final look, and voila, there it was, me with my low bun 2 puffs. And then I covered my hair with scarves to make sure it dried nicely, and while it was drying I went ahead and started working on the extensions. Don't mind all the scarves I used. This just ensured that all part of the head was covered and that my hair was drying perfectly, and it just felt secure and I loved it. You can use any number of scarves you want, but for me I've overkilled it and I went with 2 and a wig cap just to make sure that everything stays put. For my extensions, I used some old Brazilian wool that I had left in my house, and I didn't know what to do with them. So I just went ahead and made 2 extensions to those Brazilian wools, and this is how you attach your extension to your hairband. If you didn't know, take the hairband and you turn it and you put it inside, and it just makes everything easier. And voila, I was ready to start putting on my extension. So as I was doing this hairstyle, I did not know what I really wanted, so I was just going there without a plan. But this really turned out great. It gave me bridal vibes. I felt like I just wanted to go to a wedding, but I was not going anywhere. So yeah, but the hair really turned out nice. So I attached the 2 puffs, or I could have just left it like that. But no, I wanted an updo, so I attached the 2 puffs and twisted them, and then I went ahead and put one over each side. Like if the right one went on top, the left one went underneath, and that's just how it worked. And look at how already it's turning out. It was so beautiful, I promise you guys. And then I just secured everything with bobby pins, because bobby pins are a girl's best friend. Don't be afraid to use those bobby pins as many as you want, just to make you feel safe and like your hair is secured. And yeah, this is the final look. It really turned out amazing, guys, and it was so comfortable. Just wanted to put on a sundress and go somewhere beachy or go crash someone's wedding. Anyway, thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you watched up to here, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. I do natural hair videos and natural hair growth, and I am seeing progress, so join the family and let's grow our hair together. And thank you so much for the support. I can't believe we already have 100 subscribers, and it's just 100, so that is a big deal for me. I was so over the moon when I saw. So don't forget to like and comment and share, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you guys the final look on an overview, and I was looking all gorgeous. And guys, this hairstyle was the bomb, so consider trying it. And I am looking all cute and appreciative and grateful, and look at that. Wow. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. I really had fun making this video. I hope you had fun watching it. Bye. I'll see you on my next one.